Okay, is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers. Now, everyone knows Subway Surfer. It's a really popular game that you can earn money, coins. You can get a box. You can buy stuff. You can buy skins. It's cool though. It's cool. So I'm just gonna do a little play tutorial, and then I'm gonna play in for real. So yeah, do that. Hold on, let me wait for it to load. If you guys hear background noise, don't mind that, please. Just mind me talking to you guys. And yeah, I will be doing stuff. You guys can make three categories I can do. Number 1 can be gaming, number 2 can be vlogs, or number 3 can be DIY. You guys can do 3 things, by the way. You guys can pick 3 things. And the people and the comments who I like, who I give loves to, who I give a heart to, that means I picked that category. So guys, I hope you will enjoy this episode of Subway Surfers. And I have played this game for it's been around, like, I don't know how much, but I've played it before. Okay, I'm not gonna talk anymore because I keep getting distracted and I can't talk good. Don't know why. But yeah, I wish I could put a face cam. I can, but that would be just annoying of me. I don't know why. That would be just annoying. That would be annoying. Type 1 in the comments if you guys think I am ugly. So I think if you guys don't want me to do vlogs, then I'll remove every single vlog that I do. Like the Captain America one, the knife challenger, the knife challenge part 2, and the part 1. I'm gonna have to remove all of that. But if you guys want me to remove Minecraft Dead Island, I will keep doing that series. I'm working on something else because I have an Xbox One, and I don't think I can get my back the Dead Island. But yeah, it's up to you guys. Do you want me to continue or not continue? Because I don't know. I just think if you want me to continue it or not. Just saying. Okay, okay, this time I got it. Okay. Now we can start on the gameplay. Well, I was already. Well, enough talking. Let's get on to the gameplay. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to play a gameplay about Subway Surfers. And you guys already know Subway Surfers. It's already a popular game. It's an old game, by the way. Just gonna clear that out. It is an old game, by the way. Ah! What the heck? If you guys want to see more, hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. Slap that like button if you want to. If you hit it, if you break your tablet, it's not my fault. Oh, what is this? Okay, I don't care. Oh! Okay, so yeah, it's a fun game though. It's a fun game. If you guys want me to continue it or not, if we get five thumbs down, then I will delete this video. If we get 5 thumbs up, then I won't delete this video. Just it's up to you guys. I'm not going to say anything more. But I'm still doing the gameplay. Oh crap! Oh crap! Okay. Oh frick! Okay, good. Oh! Stop confusing me! Oh shoot! Oh. Oh wow, that was a bit laggy though. If you guys know that channel, Type 2 in the comments. I don't know why. Why do I keep saying type 2 or type 1? Oh, frick! Wow. Alright, I got money. What do I get? How much? Woo! Double up. Oh, wait, no! Alright, I'm gonna skip this ad. Ad for a second. Oh. Wait, where is... No, please don't torture me! Please! Please! Stop torturing me! No! No, please! Please, can you get out of my life? Get out of my life, please. I just wanna have some fun. Wait, is it still recording? Oh! Dang it! I think it was recording the whole time. Okay. Yes! Okay, there we go. Let's have to continue. Okay. Alright, let's do another part. Okay, let's get to it. Hold on. I think you could get one for free. Hold on. I think you could get a skin for free. Ah! I think you can get a skin for free. Now, let me go to home. Okay, I don't care. Okay, I know! Hold on. There we go. Sorry, I keep failing. And on me, let's go to me. A gift, yeah, there it is. I wish I could have this one. Man. Wait, she knows correct. Wait, where's the? Who do you think could win? The ninja or the other one? Alright. So I got my new skin. I hope you guys like it. If you guys do, please leave a like. But it's too cool. It's too cool. Oh, come on. I know if I'm talking too much. I don't know why I'm talking too much. Just saying. Oh, come on. Come on. Jump. Okay. Get that. I almost died. Boom. Oh, dang it. I think I have to collect 10 of those. Yeah, 10 of those. 10 of those are jumping 20 times. Jump 20 times. Okay, I jumped 20 times for some reason. I don't know why. Can I reach my high score? Let's see if I can reach my high score. Huh. What? Boom! Look at that parkour skills. What? Magnet. I know what these do. The reason why I bought it is because I wanted to do this for you guys. I don't know if you guys would like this, but I'm just doing it because I want to. Ah! I thought I got hit right now. Do a roll, jump, do a roll. Huh! 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 No! Save me! Yes! Yeah. Yes. Okay, I don't know why I did that. GG, bro. Come on. Come on. Ah, no! No! Say no! Hello, this is Future Me, and today you guys are going to see me rage. I freaking hate this game. Alright, I freaking hate this. I'm gonna play one more! I swear, if I die right now, I will freak the heck out. God damn! You! Yeah! Why? Oh, I freaking hate this. Alright, I'm gonna do one more. Oh my god. Alright, let's do one more. Because I freaking hate this game already. I don't know what to say, freaking. You gotta. Yo! Well, I'm gonna freaking be back. Yeah, guys, sorry for the censored part. I have to censor the parts when I say the F word. So yeah, I hope you guys can forgive me about that. And yeah, I hope you guys can forgive me. Let me put these headphones on. Oh, freaking. Okay, let's do one more. Cause I'm gonna hate this game. No! 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 Alright, you know what? I'm gonna end the episode. I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please leave a like and a comment. And like I said, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching the spectacular of my rage.